What's going on, folks? Will Stewart here with Will Stewart 365, and today we are going to be doing another niche unboxing and first impressions from the house of Parfums de Marly. Like I said before, we have got a big, massive Parfums de Marly haul in, and today we are going to be taking a look at it. We are going to be reviewing one. Let's go over here to the Parfums de Marly section on my shelf, and we are going to be unboxing and reviewing Oajan from the house of Parfums de Marly. This one here is in the 4.2 fluid ounce, the 125 mil. So picking these up at full retail price is pretty expensive. Retail price on this one here, as you can see on the bottom, is $360. I didn't pay for it on that. I got it on sale. You guys should check out your local discounter if you want to be able to pick up some fragrances from the house of Parfums de Marly at a good price. I picked mine up from Joma Shop. That sale that they have is currently now over, so I won't bore you with the price or make you feel upset if you miss out on it. But you guys can check that out there regularly. They have a mailing list or a WhatsApp group that you can sign up for, and it will allow you to get notified whenever they do these massive sales. Some people say that they're not that cheap, that you can get them at different sales. I haven't seen it cheaper than what I paid for it, so I don't know. I don't, you know, maybe I'm not in the best loop. But today we have got this one here. This one looks like it opens from the bottom. It does have a matte finish, so I am not going to be able to leave the plastic wrap on the majority of the bottle. I am going to have to take this off all the way and drop the fragrance between my knees because it just flew right out of the bottle. But we've got the box here. Do not lift this up by this. It's just sitting on there. It's not even like a tight fit whatsoever. You do have a matte finish box. This box is different than the other boxes that I have from the house of Parfums de Marly, but this one here does look pretty nice. It is a matte, kind of fuzzy. I don't know if you can hear that in the mic there, but it's kind of got like a, it's not like furry, but it just has a very matte texture to it. But this one lifts up off the top here, and you do have the bottle there, a matte black bottle, which looks really nice. I am a huge fan of matte black personally, but you do get this nice matte black Parfums de Marly bottle right there with the two horses and the 1743. You have the name of the fragrance there in silver writing, maybe kind of etched in. Yeah, it's etched into the glass. There is a little pedestal for your fragrance to sit in or the likes. On the bottom, you do have your batch code and information and all of that stuff. You do have a shiny, heavy-duty stainless steel cap that does click into place. You can carry the bottle. Like I said with the review on Herod that I did earlier, the cap, I think, weighs as much as the bottle. I'm not even joking. The cap weighs as much as the bottle does. You know, not like perfect quality control in these. There are in these painted versions, and even in the other one, you can see the mold line, and it's not super smooth. So there's some bubbles in the paint and stuff like that. So I think that they could do presentation wise a little bit better, especially for the price of what this fragrance is. But to be honest with you, we're really just kind of going off of what it smells like, right? That's the thing that's important to us. It's what it smells like. But for the price that you're paying, they could pay a little bit more attention to detail, in my opinion. Again, the cap does have that same embossed logo there at the top, Parfums de Marly 1743. So let's take a look here. We'll grab a handy dandy test strip, and we will see if this fragrance is as good as people make it out to be. Again, primed right off the bat. Let that alcohol dry for just a second. And so this one is a sweet, there is a spice to it too, but maybe this one to me smells a little bit like Camera for me. A little boozy, I mean, just off the, I mean, look, you got the alcohol, so maybe as it dries down, it's going to lose that boozy smell. But right now, for me, I'm getting kind of a boozy vanilla sweetness. Let's take a look. Let's grab the camera off the shelf over here, and let's see if the comparisons. So this is a clone of Angel Share, but it's not really a clone. It's kind of got its own DNA. We do have a video of that on the channel as well. So this one's going to be a little bit darker, a little bit more gourmandish. I'm getting a little bit more chocolatey vanilla with the booze straight out the top. This one is more of a fruity vanilla for Oajan. This one to me maybe has like a little apple, so cinnamon apple, vanilla, nutmeg. I don't know, but it's different. It's different than the Camera or Angel Share. So Angel Share for me or Camera is a little bit deeper, a little bit darker, maybe a little bit closer. It doesn't smell, I don't smell any like harsh tobaccos in it. It's not tobacco forward, but closer to that line than this. This is a little bit more, maybe, so I'm getting an apple-ish, cinnamon apple vanilla. So apple pie with ice cream on top type of a smell, but the vanilla right now isn't that rich. But since I can already smell it in the top, I know that as the fragrance dries down, you're going to get that. So I mean, it's gourmandy to the point where it's like in the same vein, same use cases, but they don't smell alike, obviously. But they're gonna get you in the same ball house, right? But the Camera has a little bit more of a nutty, boozy, vanillic vibe, whereas this is a fruity, vanillic vibe. If that makes sense to you guys. Let's grab the notes. Let's check a look at the notes here on the app to see what we've got as far as the top notes, the main notes, and all of that good stuff. So 8.5 here says this one here has got cinnamon, honey. Okay, that makes sense. We got the honey, Osmanthus. So you got amber, benzoin, labdanum, tonka bean, vanilla, divana. I don't know what divana smells like, and a patchouli. So yeah, definitely cinnamon honey. I can smell the benzoin and the amber as well. So benzoin is another sweet note. Amber, the vanilla, patchouli maybe. It's another fall banger, man. Do I like it as much as I like Herod? I don't know. I have to give it full wear. Right now, off paper, I think Herod's better than Oajan. So take that what it's worth for me. You guys may think it's different. I don't know. It's good. It's good. Would I pay retail for it? I don't think so. Would I buy it for around $180 or less? Sure. But it's good. Like I'd have to give this one some wears. I want to see it in the dry down. You know, I don't really like the opening for latent, but the dry down is absolutely amazing. So, but guys, that's what we've got. We've got the Oajan from the house of Parfums de Marly. It looks like the box has picked up a few fingerprints. This is the bottle here too as well. Again, Oajan from Parfums de Marly is going to be a cinnamon, honey, vanilla, gourmand fragrance that so far it smells good. Do I like it as much as I like Herod? No. But do I like it? Yes, I do. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you are hitting that like and subscribe. We will be back again with another unboxing, first impressions list and or review over here at Will Stewart 365. See you guys next time. I'm out of here. Peace.